Questo viene trasmesso dal governo italiano per la vostra sicurezza. Il Plaxiavirus ha contagiato in modo allarmante molte province italiane. Si credeva che il primo caso fosse arrivato 5 giorni fa. Si ritiene che il virus si sia diffuso in quasi tutte le principali città. Ora, il governo sta imponendo un blocco nazionale. E peggio, la polizia sta lottando per contenere le orde di zombie e le rivolte scoppiate ieri. Gli acquisti presi dal panico hanno colpito duramente il paese e il nostro tasso di crescita crollerà presto ai minimi storici. Chiunque venga sorpreso all'esterno durante questo blocco verrà fucilato sul posto. I sintomi di questo virus così com'è: febbre, sudorazione, diarrea, vomito, affaticamento muscolare, mancanza di respiro, sete estrema, temperatura corporea elevata, occhi arrossati e segni di comportamento animalesco. Per la tua sicurezza, chiudi e blocca tutti i buchi esterni della tua casa se vivi in una città in cui viene rilevato K17, XV. Porta le provviste necessarie per te e la tua famiglia per sopravvivere per tutta la durata di questa emergenza. Lo stato di emergenza è dichiarato fino a nuovo avviso. Resta sintonizzato per ulteriori informazioni.
This is broadcasted by the Italian government for your safety. The Plaxiavirus has alarmingly infected many Italian provinces. The first case was believed to come 5 days ago. The virus has believed to spread to almost every major city. Now, the government is imposing a national lockdown. And worse, police are struggling to contain the zombie hordes and the riots that broke out yesterday. Panic. Buying has hit hard the country, and our growth rate will soon slump to all-time lows. Anyone being caught outside during this lockdown will be shot on sight. Symptoms of this virus, as it goes: fever, sweating, diarrhea, vomiting, muscle fatigue, shortness of breath, extreme thirst, high body temperature, bloodshot eyes, and signs of animalistic behavior. For your safety, close and lock all outside. Hold in your house if you live in a city where K17PXVI is detected. Bring necessary supplies for you and your family in order to survive through the duration of this emergency. A state of emergency is declared until further notice. Stay tuned for more information.
This is a final broadcast that was left from the remains of the Australian Government and Defence Force. Australia has fallen. The American Plaxiavirus has since 32 days ago entered the country, and then began to spread rapidly into major cities ever since air came from the seaports and airports of New South Wales, which almost every state has collapsed. Now, due to this dangerously volatile disease, the Prime Minister has been confirmed dead. The military and defence force commands have also ran out. According to our last update of Australia's Plaxiavirus Task Force, only 8,000 people are registered inhabitants of this country. Our army has also failed to defend the parliament and the capital. And since then, chaos has ensued everywhere. You must euthanize someone you see with these: fever, sweating, diarrhea, muscle fatigue, vomiting, shortness of breath, extreme thirst, high body temperature, signs of animalistic behavior, and bloodshot eyes. Please note that the American society has broken down, and as well as many countries globally falling. If the number rises for the cases, then it is certain that more countries will fall. This has concluded the final activation of the warning system. Farewell Australia.